aching joints, swollen legs, and that constant, draining fatigue that seems to get worse with every passing year. Hair that thins despite every shampoo and tonic, nails that split or break at the slightest pressure, and skin that heals far too slowly after even minor cuts or scrapes. For many people after 50, these issues are far from mere annoyances. They are clear warning signs that circulation is slowing, inflammation is rising, and the body's natural repair systems are struggling to keep up. Most people automatically assume that the only solution lies in medications or expensive treatments, but old doctors knew differently. For generations, they relied on simple, natural remedies that worked gently yet powerfully, addressing the root causes rather than just masking the symptoms. One combination that has truly stood the test of time is castor oil and rosemary. Castor oil, long celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties, circulation-boosting effects, and detoxifying power, works at a deep level to soothe sore muscles, joints, and tissues, while rosemary brings its own arsenal of benefits. Potent antioxidants, essential oils, and nutrients that enhance healing, protect cells from damage, and stimulate blood flow to key areas of the body. Together, these two ingredients form a natural, holistic formula that can target dozens of health concerns simultaneously, from joint pain, swelling, and sluggish circulation to digestive struggles, weak immunity, and even hair thinning or loss. The beauty of this combination is that it's not just treating symptoms temporarily, it supports the body in repairing itself, restoring strength, and boosting vitality in ways that synthetic treatments often cannot. And to help you get even more results, I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. Grab it from the link in the description to complement this remedy with simple daily habits that enhance circulation, reduce inflammation, and support overall well-being. By integrating castor oil and rosemary into your routine, along with the practical strategies in the guide, you can take tangible steps toward feeling stronger, more energetic, and more resilient every day, even after 50. Castor oil and rosemary work together in a way that goes far beyond temporary relief, targeting the underlying causes of many common health issues after 50. Castor oil is particularly rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin or gently massaged into sore areas, it penetrates deeply into muscles, joints, and connective tissues, reducing swelling, easing stiffness, and improving lymphatic flow. This improved circulation helps the body flush out toxins more efficiently, while also strengthening the immune system, making it easier to fight off infections and recover from minor injuries. At the same time, castor oil supports skin health, promotes collagen production, and can even stimulate hair growth when used on the scalp, addressing multiple concerns in one simple natural remedy. Rosemary complements these effects perfectly. It is loaded with potent antioxidants such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which neutralize free radicals and protect cells from age-related damage. Its essential oils stimulate blood flow to the skin and scalp, improve oxygen delivery to muscles and organs, and enhance cognitive function by supporting healthy circulation in the brain. Rosemary also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps fight minor infections, reduces swelling, and supports overall cellular repair. When combined, castor oil and rosemary don't just mask symptoms temporarily, they work at the root causes: poor circulation, chronic inflammation, sluggish detoxification, and cellular stress. Regular use can ease joint and muscle pain, improve skin elasticity, promote healthier hair and nails, enhance cognitive function, and support the body's natural healing processes. This natural duo, when applied consistently, becomes a holistic solution that nurtures the body from the inside out, restoring strength, vitality, and energy even for those over 50. Using castor oil combined with rosemary consistently can provide a wide-ranging impact on overall health, especially for seniors over 50, addressing many common issues that arise with age. One of the most immediate benefits is relief from joint pain and stiffness, improving mobility in the knees, hips, shoulders, and other areas affected by arthritis or daily wear and tear. It also reduces swelling and edema, helping legs and feet feel lighter at the end of the day, while promoting better lymphatic drainage that supports immune function and toxin elimination. This natural duo also strengthens hair follicles, preventing thinning hair and stimulating regrowth, while improving nail health by reducing brittleness and splitting. Skin repair is enhanced as well, with minor wounds, cuts, and burns healing faster thanks to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of rosemary and the nutrient-rich castor oil. Circulation is boosted, supporting cardiovascular health and improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to tissues throughout the body. At the same time, castor oil assists liver detoxification, helping the body flush out toxins efficiently, while the combination calms inflammation, alleviating chronic aches in muscles and connective tissues. Other notable effects include headache reduction, due to improved blood flow and anti-inflammatory benefits, and enhanced digestive function, easing constipation and supporting gut health. Hormonal balance is subtly supported, which can help with minor imbalances in seniors, while immune function is strengthened, reducing the frequency and severity of seasonal infections. Rosemary's active compounds also support brain function, enhancing memory, alertness, and mental clarity. Skin aging is slowed, as antioxidants protect collagen and elastin fibers, and nerve pain, including tingling in hands and feet, can be soothed through regular use. The combination of castor oil massage and rosemary aroma promotes relaxation, reducing stress and improving overall well-being. For women, it can alleviate menstrual or menopausal discomfort by providing gentle hormonal support. Additional benefits include protection against oxidative stress, improved respiratory function, support for heart health through better circulation and reduced vessel stiffness, and indirect weight management by boosting metabolism and digestion. Ultimately, this simple, natural remedy promotes overall vitality, increasing energy, stamina, and resilience in daily life for seniors, making it a holistic solution that nurtures the body from head to toe. By addressing inflammation, circulation, digestion, detoxification, and cellular health all at once, castor oil and rosemary offer a powerful, time-tested approach to aging gracefully and maintaining strength, health, and energy after 50. Using castor oil combined with rosemary is simple but highly effective when applied correctly. Topical application is one of the most powerful methods. Start by mixing a few drops of rosemary essential oil with castor oil, creating a rich, nutrient-packed blend. Massage this mixture gently into sore joints, swollen areas, or the scalp. For maximum benefits related to circulation and joint health, focus on the legs, knees, lower back, and shoulders, where stiffness or swelling is most common. You can leave the oil on for 30 to 60 minutes, allowing it to penetrate deeply into muscles, connective tissues, and joints, or even overnight under a warm cloth to enhance absorption and boost its restorative effects. For scalp and hair health, the same mixture works wonders. Apply it directly to the scalp and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. This stimulates hair follicles, strengthens existing strands, prevents thinning, and encourages new growth. Seniors who struggle with brittle hair or hair loss often notice gradual improvement after just a few weeks of consistent use. There's also an optional digestive and detoxification benefit. Some seniors take a very small, carefully measured amount of castor oil internally, often paired with rosemary tea, to aid digestion, relieve occasional constipation, and support liver detoxification. This approach should always be done under medical guidance, especially for those on medications or with chronic health conditions, to avoid any complications. By combining these methods, castor oil and rosemary create a holistic routine that addresses inflammation, circulation, hair and skin health, digestion, and overall vitality, making it a simple but powerful daily practice for people over 50. Here are some crucial tips and considerations to make the most out of using castor oil and rosemary while staying safe and maximizing their restorative effects. First and foremost, consistency is essential. Applying the mixture daily or several times a week for multiple weeks allows the bioactive compounds to deeply penetrate the tissues, gradually supporting circulation, reducing chronic inflammation, easing joint stiffness, and strengthening hair and nails. While occasional use may provide temporary relief or a soothing sensation, the long-term benefits, such as improved joint flexibility, reduced swelling, enhanced lymphatic drainage, and noticeable hair regrowth, only appear with persistent application over time. Think of it as building layers of protection and support for your body's natural repair systems. Essential oil safety is another critical factor, especially for seniors or those with sensitive skin. Rosemary essential oil is highly concentrated, which is why it should never be applied directly to the skin without proper dilution in castor oil. Undiluted, it can cause irritation, redness, or even a mild burning sensation, particularly on delicate areas like the face, scalp, or joints with thin skin. Always start with a small patch test to ensure your skin tolerates the mixture well. Adjust the ratio of rosemary to castor oil according to your sensitivity. Less is often more when it comes to essential oils. For those with extremely sensitive skin, mixing in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil alongside castor oil can provide extra cushioning while maintaining effectiveness. Lifestyle integration significantly amplifies the results. Using castor oil and rosemary in isolation is helpful, but pairing it with a balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, regular light physical activities such as walking, stretching, or yoga, and staying properly hydrated takes the remedy to a whole new level. Nutrition supports internal repair, gentle movement keeps joints mobile and circulation active, and hydration helps the skin and tissues absorb and respond to the oils more effectively. Together, this holistic approach strengthens muscles, supports heart health, enhances cognitive function, and keeps energy levels stable, helping seniors feel stronger, steadier, and more capable in their daily routines. Medical considerations are vital, especially for people over 50 who may be on medications. Castor oil and rosemary can interact with certain medications, particularly those for blood pressure, heart conditions, or blood thinning. Rosemary's natural compounds may enhance the effects of blood-thinning medications, which could increase the risk of bruising or bleeding, while castor oil's digestive effects may interfere with certain prescriptions if taken internally. Always consult a healthcare professional before introducing this remedy into your routine, particularly if you have chronic conditions or are preparing for surgery. Following these precautions ensures that you can safely enjoy all the benefits without any unintended side effects. Finally, patience and mindfulness are key. The effects of natural remedies like castor oil and rosemary are cumulative. Over time, you may notice reduced joint stiffness, lighter legs, improved circulation, healthier hair and nails, enhanced skin healing, and a general sense of vitality. By committing to a consistent routine, respecting essential oil guidelines, integrating healthy habits, and consulting your doctor when needed, you create a sustainable, natural wellness practice. This approach empowers seniors to support their bodies gently but effectively, turning castor oil and rosemary from a simple home remedy into a cornerstone of everyday health and longevity. The combination of castor oil and rosemary is far more than just a home remedy. It's a centuries-old, time-tested formula that works at the root level to address the most common and stubborn health issues faced by seniors. Aging often brings challenges like joint stiffness, swelling, fatigue, thinning hair, brittle nails, and slow healing skin, and many people assume these changes are simply normal. But in reality, these problems are often driven by poor circulation, chronic inflammation, and reduced cellular repair. Castor oil, with its rich content of ricinoleic acid, penetrates deep into muscles, joints, and connective tissues to soothe pain, reduce inflammation, and support detoxification, while rosemary adds powerful antioxidants, essential oils, and circulation-boosting compounds that enhance healing, strengthen cells, and stimulate blood flow throughout the body. Together, They create a synergistic effect that not only alleviates symptoms, but also supports the body's natural repair mechanisms, helping seniors regain mobility, energy, and overall vitality. Using this remedy consistently over weeks allows the body to experience gradual but lasting improvements. Joint stiffness diminishes, swelling in legs and feet reduces, hair becomes stronger and thicker, nails are less brittle, and skin heals faster. Mental clarity and focus can improve as the rosemary stimulates oxygen and nutrient delivery to the brain, while relaxation benefits from both the massage application and the soothing aroma. This combination supports digestion, lymphatic drainage, cardiovascular health, and immune function, creating a comprehensive wellness routine that addresses multiple areas of health simultaneously. To maximize the benefits, it's important to integrate castor oil and rosemary with healthy lifestyle practices. A balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, light exercise to maintain mobility, and proper hydration complement the effects of the oils, helping the body absorb nutrients more efficiently and maintain strength, stamina, and resilience. Seniors who pair this remedy with these habits often notice improvements not only in physical health, but also in overall energy levels and quality of life. And remember, to make your health journey even more effective, I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. This guide is packed with actionable, simple tips that perfectly complement remedies like castor oil and rosemary, helping you enhance circulation, boost energy, and slow down the aging process naturally. You can grab it from the link in the description right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it with someone who could benefit from these natural, time-tested solutions. Never underestimate the power of simple, affordable remedies. Castor oil and rosemary have been supporting generations of seniors, helping them stay active, energized, and healthy, and they can do the same for you when used correctly and consistently.